road they are not tolerating at all, so you have to be very be careful. One question, they don't have any peak time assigned over here in Philippines at all. Any time of peak time traffic, they are just went and they are going through all the way, especially for the heavy vehicles which is above 3 ton, and they are sometimes driving recklessly, and they don't care about the bicyclists, by the motorbikers and so on. So, and they are not following the road limits. In fact, there is no road limits assigned on this road itself. They should not be driving above 40 kilometers max, but they are driving above 60-80 kilometers, sometime above on that one, which is I'm just highlighting as a foreigner over here in Philippines, which is not good at all. And there is no any safety to be maintained on this particularly roads, because the roads are not so big, and which is not even handling this kind of heavy truck vehicles. So in our area, particularly inside San Manuel area, I would like to mention, which is like internal cities road, and they are not even to handle or should be allowed such kind of heavy vehicles at all. And there are schools, there are children, and even though in that particular area there is no assigned and designated timing zone that they will allow to enter, especially at school timings, they shouldn't be allowed at all to be entered in those particular areas. But there is no, they have open timings whenever they want it. They are coming over here and driving as they want it. So I hope the government and the traffic police over here in all over, I believe it in Philippines, not only I just noticed here in this small town like Binalonan or in San Manuel. Now some vehicle is coming and passing by here with me now. At least this guy is gentle. He just crossed me ahead on distance, but the earlier truck was crossing quite close to me. So thank you so much for bearing me this kind of conversation. I hope nobody will mind it, but this is my gentle advice to all of the government, especially for the traffic police and the police itself, whoever they are responsible for the traffic. So they should take some strict action. It's not a small joke, because I'm from I live my entire life in Gulf, and I would like to say they are far beyond the level of maintaining and controlling the traffic, particularly on all kind of roads. And I will say they are out of this world, really. Believe me or not, they are out of this world. They are 100 times X far ahead for this kind of things.
Lap speed 15.8. Total.
I will appreciate the life over the people. They are living still in Dubai and in all over GCC countries. They should appreciate that the things what they are getting through the government is awesome and amazing, which you cannot get it from other part of the rest of the world. And one of the example right now, I'm here in Philippines, and I'm in the meanwhile the bus bridge passing by or going through to Binalonan.